Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today 10th July 2023, let me show you the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 indicator. Now how to start? Now you choose any browser of your choice, either Chrome or Microsoft browser or any other browser, Firefox something you can choose. And after choosing, you just type here www.tradingview.com. Okay, then select the script whichever you want to trade. So now I will show you the examples from BANKNIFTY and Nifty, because the reason for selecting these two scripts are because most of the people are trading in these scripts only. It does not mean that our indicator is working only in BANKNIFTY and Nifty. Our indicator will be working in every script across the globe. I repeat, our indicator will work in all the scripts across the globe. So we have made such an option inside the indicator so that our indicator will be working in any condition. So keep this in mind. And before I proceed, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Also go on to our Telegram channel and join there. Okay. Now, I have told you many times, whenever you start for the day, okay, whenever you start for the day, what you have to do, you have to go to the indicator settings, the middle one, it looks like an engine, click on it and come here at the bottom left side. So there you will be able to see reset settings. Now I have reset the settings. And next one, I am going to replay the market, because now the time is 12:30, and if you see our Telegram channel, we have posted before the target is being achieved. Don't say that after the market hours anyone can show, but we have shown before the targets are achieved in the Telegram channel. So that's why we are asking you to join our Telegram channel for free update. So now everything is ready. I am going to play the bar button. See here, once the market is ready, once the market is open, within 1 or 2 minutes, see here, within 1 or 2 minutes, our levels are getting formed. So why it is taking 1 or 2 minutes? Because we have used machine learning and deep learning concept along with Python automated system. So once the market is open, the software will try to learn the movement of the market, the psychology of the market. So it takes some time to form these 5 lines. Once the 5 lines are formed, what we are supposed to do? We have to wait for the market either to reach the top level or bottom level. Either to reach top level or bottom level. If the market is reaching first to the topper level, that is the sell zone, top 2 lines are called as sell zone and bottom 2 lines are called as buy zone. Okay, I just speed up. Wow. Yes. So now we got the 5 lines. The top 2 level, 45,165 is the sell entry and 45,308 is the stop loss. The target will be 44,995 or 1:1 ratio. So now once the sell activated, there is no buy for the day. If buy activated, there is no sell for the day until the sell hit. Suppose say now sell got activated at 45,165. What we will be doing? We can buy any put option. So what strike price we can choose? The mid strike price you can choose, or ATM you can choose, or ITM you can choose. If buy activated, that is at 44,825, market has come down first and buy activated, you can choose the midline as the strike price, or 44,800 call option, or 44,600 or 700 call option. So that is up to you. Or you can choose the next week expiry also, or monthly expiry also you can choose, so that you will not be worrying the market is losing its delta value, that value, this value, and all. You don't have to worry. So you can choose the next week expiry also. So now sell activated, what you have to do, go to this indicator, again come to this settings, come down, scroll down. Since sell activated, remove the buy and enable the sell targets, enable second buy targets, enable second sell. So now the midpoint will be there, that you can place at the DTP. DTP means the midpoint between the first sell and second buy, that is the DTP. Okay, now we should be ready. If the market is coming down at 45,023, I will be booking the profit. If I have taken 3 lot, I will book 1 lot at the first target and I will revise the stop loss to cost to cost. Then I will wait for the second target. Once second target is hit, I will move the stop loss to first target. Then I will wait for the third target, and once the third target also hit, I will be exiting from the market. This is the first term. And the suppose if the market is not coming down after the sell entry is activated, what you have to do, it will be the market will be going up and it will be hitting our stop loss 45,308.15. Since we have taken the spot value here, you please wait for the candle to close above the buy level. Okay, once the candle is closed above the buy level and high of that candle is broken, you can go for the buy entry. Similarly here, wait for the candle to close below the sell level and low of the candle is broken and go for the sell entry. This is the price action method. If you apply this method, you can avoid most of the time it will be giving the exact entry. For some days, due to the market condition, it will fool us. So in such situation, what we have to do, we have to wait for the close of the candle. Either high has to be broken for buy entry or low has to be broken for the sell entry. If you apply this method, you can easily avoid the loss. Okay, now I am running the market. So I hope the market has to come down, but I am also ready with the second buy order. Okay, so I will not be worried. Suppose if SL hit, what I will do, I will simply wait for the candle to close above the 45,308. Once the high of the candle is broken, I will go for the buy entry and the stop loss would be 45,165. So hope it is clear. So now perfectly my first target has been hit. So I will speed up. I don't want to waste any of your time. So market has exactly hit our first target. See, one thing you can notice, once sell or buy is activated, our lines will never get changed. See here, this lines 45,165 or 45,308 is not changed. Target also not changed. So 2 targets has been achieved. So now our stop loss will be at the first target. If the market is coming down to third target, it is well and good. Otherwise, if the market is reversing, already I have booked 2 lots. 1 lot at the first target and second lot at second target and waiting for the third target. So third target is almost achieved. Okay, so hope it is clear. So same thing we can see in the Nifty also. I will show you for Nifty. So when you are trading in Nifty, what you can do, you can use small, very tiny SL target. So I'm coming here and giving reset settings. Sorry, this is Gifty Nifty. This is another scripts. So what you have to select, this one we have to select. See the beauty. So perfectly, here we missed the buy entry, here we got the sell entry. Once again it has reached down to our buy entry zone, again we have got the target. So here it is in default mode. So what we have to do, we can keep in very tiny SL, because the movement will be very less, that's why. See, perfectly we have got the entry 2 times, sell also activated, buy also activated. But as per the discipline, if buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. But if we apply the price action method along with our tool, then you can trade both the side. So keep this in mind. So here you have to see whether I can go for buy entry or not. This candle will tell you whether it will market will be reversed or not. Okay. So here in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, we have got the perfectly we got the entry and targets also 100% achieved. So this is how we have to trade, and we have given all the method. See here we have given all the method, and market type also available. You can use any market type. So this is for default. Suppose if you are going for office, you can trade only afternoon session, then you can choose this noon method. And if you can trade only in evening market, then you can also use evening method. So there are many methods available. So depending upon your availability, you can choose. So hope the today's video is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number 9500009154. Thank you all for watching our video. Please share this video to everyone. And today we have released one important announcement, that is we are providing franchisee as well as we are giving group subscription. Suppose if we are having 200 members, then you can join in group subscription. You will be getting 80% discount in all the three starting from quarterly subscription to lifetime subscription. Okay, thank you all for watching the video. Bye bye. Wish you all the best. Happy profitable day ahead.